Open the Neon Bank app and start by tightening your security. Activate biometric login so only your fingerprint or face can access the app. Set a strong transaction PIN and turn on instant transaction alerts. Every debit, credit, or transfer should trigger a notification immediately. This helps you catch unauthorized activity before it becomes expensive. Enable device locking so the app automatically logs out after short inactivity. Next, optimize your spending controls. Set daily and monthly spending limits that match your income level. If your average expenses are around $1,200 monthly, cap your card spending slightly above that to avoid impulse overspending. Turn on merchant category controls to block high-risk or unnecessary categories like gambling or unverified online merchants. This keeps your money focused on essentials and planned expenses. Go into card settings and activate location-based security. This ensures your card works only in your current country unless you manually allow international usage. For online payments, enable virtual card usage and disable physical card details for internet transactions. Virtual cards add an extra layer of protection, especially for subscriptions and one-time payments. If a service charges $9.99 monthly, you can cancel or freeze the virtual card instantly without affecting your main account. Adjust savings and automation features next. Turn on automatic savings rules that move small amounts into savings after each transaction. Saving $2 or $5 per transaction quietly builds a solid balance over time. Enable roundup savings so purchases like $7.40 round up to $8, with the extra 60 cents saved automatically. Finally, customize notifications and insights. Enable weekly and monthly spending reports in dollars so you clearly see where your money goes. Turn off non-essential promotional alerts to stay focused. With these settings active, the Neon Bank app becomes secure, disciplined, and efficient, giving you full control over every dollar without stress or guesswork.